Simple Link Wi-Fi Network Processor CC3100. CC3100 is a Wi-Fi node or Wi-Fi chip that provides the Wi-Fi facility to the devices. The individual chip, it provides Wi-Fi to the devices. If you look at this architecture or hardware of the CC3100 chip, this chip contains ARM processor. This chip contains internally ARM processors, and it contains inbuilt software tools. Those are Wi-Fi driver, TCP/IP protocols, means transfer control protocol or internet protocols, and TLS or SSL protocols, which are stored in the memory devices. These are inbuilt, means internally on-chip peripherals. This CC3100 contains inbuilt software tools. Automatically, we are not using the additional softwares mostly. And it can, this modem or this Wi-Fi node is interfacing with external processing elements using SPI or UART. SPI or UART. Here host IF means interfacing. This Wi-Fi node is interfacing with the external peripherals, that means any embedded systems, using SPI communication bus or UART communication bus. This node, this Wi-Fi chip, provides the efficient power management system, that is DC to DC voltage, battery monitor, and internal oscillators. So the features of the CC3100 are, the first feature is, it is a simple link Wi-Fi network processor with power management subsystem. It is a simple link Wi-Fi network processor with power management subsystem. It contains dedicated ARM microcontroller unit. We already see the hardware architecture. That hardware contains ARM processor. It contains inbuilt Wi-Fi drivers and multiple internet protocols in ROM, memory device. If you look at the hardware of the Wi-Fi node, this Wi-Fi node, it contains inbuilt, means internally it contains Wi-Fi driver, and internally it contains internet protocols. Those are TCP/IP protocols, which are stored in the memory device, that is ROM. It contains the bandwidth of 802.11 B or G or N radio bands for transmitting the Wi-Fi signals. And it contains baseband and access control, and it contains Wi-Fi driver and supplicant. So it contains TCP/IP and TLS or SSL stacks. It contains TCP/IP or TLS or SSL stacks. So it provides various industry standard application programming interfaces. It provides industry standards apps, standard application programming interfaces, and it provides powerful crypto engine for fast, secure Wi-Fi and internet connections with 256-bit advanced encryption system. This Wi-Fi node provides advanced securities by using the crypto engine. It internally contains crypto engine. This provides fast, secure Wi-Fi and internet connections with 256-bit advanced encryption system. So it provides more security. And it provides Wi-Fi protection access to personal and enterprise security. This Wi-Fi node, CC3100 Wi-Fi node provides Wi-Fi protection access to personal and enterprise security. So it provides simple link connection manager for autonomous and fast Wi-Fi connections. So this micro Wi-Fi node, CC3100 Wi-Fi node, is interact with or interfacing with external 8-bit or 16-bit or 32-bit microcontroller units or ICs over SPI or UART interface. The CC3100 Wi-Fi node interface with the host microcontroller, that may be 16-bit or 8-bit or 32-bit microcontrollers or ICs using SPI bus or UART bus. So the memory size, the RAM size is 7 kilobytes, RAM size is 700 bytes. So the Wi-Fi node memory capacity is, the RAM capacity is 7 kilobytes, RAM capacity is 700 bytes. So it provides powerful power management system, that is integrated DC to DC support a wide range of supply voltages. That is, battery voltage mode is operated in 2.1 to 3.6 volts and pre-regulated mode voltage is 1.85 volts. So Wi-Fi node provides the integrated DC to DC supports wide range of supply voltages. That battery voltage is operated in 2.1 to 3.6 volts. Pre-regulated mode, it operated in 1.85 volts. It contains advanced low power modes. So low power modes means whenever we are not using the peripherals, we are disabling that one and save the power consumed by that peripherals by disabling them. So hibernate mode with real-time clock. At that time, it consumes 4 microamperes only. In hibernate mode with real-time clock, the Wi-Fi node consumes 4 microamperes power current. In low power deep sleep mode, it consumes 115 microamperes. In low power deep sleep mode, the Wi-Fi node consumes 115 microamperes. In ideal mode, it consumes 690 microamperes. In receiver traffic mode, whenever microcontroller unit is active, means external host is in active state, at that time it consumes 53 milliamperes. In transmitter traffic mode, it consumes 223 milliamperes. amperes. So it provides various clock sources. It provides 40 megahertz crystal with internal oscillator. To operate this Wi-Fi node, we require clock source. So it contains inbuilt oscillators that capacity is 40 megahertz. It contains inbuilt crystal oscillator which provides 40 megahertz frequency. And it also connecting with external real-time clock that provides 32.768 kilohertz signal. And this Wi-Fi node is operated in the range of minus 40 degrees centigrade to 85 degree centigrade. Wi-Fi node is operated in minus 40 degree centigrade to 85 degree centigrade. So these are the features of the Wi-Fi nodes CC3100. Next, applications of this Wi-Fi nodes are, we can use this Wi-Fi nodes in connecting applications or smart energy applications or home automation and security applications. Wherever we require Wi-Fi node, we can use this one. In our application, if you want to design any embedded system, if that embedded system require Wi-Fi node, we can use this CC3100. It provides smart energy applications. It is used in access control and industrial control applications. It is used in IP network sensor nodes. So these are the various applications of the CC3100 Wi-Fi node. Wherever we require this Wi-Fi node, we can use this one.